Ooga booga. Huh. Spear time. Huh. Huh, huh.
Gorilla.
Huh, 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 huh. Ooga booga. Jordan 1. Woolly mammoth. Oh.
Better.
What brands do you recommend? Is Cold Steel a good brand?
Cold Steel's okay, but this is a throwing spear.
Okay.
Okay, so there's different kinds of spears, just like there's different kinds of guns.
Yeah.
So spears are an ancient weapon used by our ancestors. They were the rifle of their day, by the way. People carried spears with swords.
Yeah.
So this particular spear is a Sheffield Reaper.
I think you're accurate enough to get a deer with that. He could get a deer with this if he wanted to. Got it again. Got it again. Oh. Yeah, this thing's no joke. I don't care what anyone says. All right. I don't know how practical of an activity this is, but I imagine women love it, and you're getting outside doing something fun, so
Yeah.
you know what I mean? That's what really matters. I don't know how practical this would be, but it's cool. So that's good enough.
Well,
You know?
I'll put it this way. Our ancestors used this. People think that tomahawks are a Native American thing.
Yeah.
No. We traded boarding axes with the Native Americans.
Well, I think that would kill somebody. I just don't know how practical that'd be for modern life. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But it's definitely cool. And I think that would kill somebody. I mean, do it again. I mean, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, let's go look at that. I mean, if this was a human being standing right here, I don't think they'd be having a very good day. But I still don't know how practical this is, just because what would a prosecutor think of that, for one? You know, I just don't know like how good of a skill this is for modern life. But, you know, I imagine the chicks dig it.
Yeah.
And it's a fun outdoor activity, you know. And if it gets people outside and it gets people better dexterity, I'm all for it.
This has got 3/8 steel ball in it. Someone could be accurate with this.
Right.
People mistake this for a mere child's toy. You see how accurate that is?
It's pretty loud too. It's about as much kinetic energy as, say, one of these pepper ball guns probably.
Exactly.
Guys would love seeing this. Whoa! Whoa! I'm never going to make fun of somebody ever again if they have a modern tactical throwing spear. I'm done making fun of those people. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I value my life too much.